Although I was never first, but now I am very cool.
I learned many things and enjoyed showing my skills.
Who is known as the wizard of हाँ? किसी की कोई प्रॉब्लम तो समझना हो हिंदी में फिर गिरा हुआ है नीचे 29 नंबर Who painted the Starry Night? Who is the author of Alice and Adventure in Wonderland? इसका लेखक कौन है?
साइड हो गए हो
क्वेश्चन सर तो आप सभी हिंदी मीनिंग समझने में किसी को कोई परेशानी? एनीवन? हाँ? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बोलो हिंदी समझना हो या कोई मीनिंग समझना हो किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बोल सकते हो क्या बोलो? इजी क्वेश्चन है हाँ वहीं से खड़ा होकर पूछ सकते हो कोई प्रॉब्लम हो कुछ पूछना हो तो बोल सकते हो सर्किल्ड ऑल द फिगर सब फिगर को रंगीन कर दिए हो कलरिंग कर दिए हो वेरी गुड एनी डिफिकल्ट फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट एनर्जी एनर्जी हम कहाँ से एनर्जी मीन्स ऊर्जा ये कहाँ वेरी गुड बताना नहीं है और कोई विच फ्रूट इज येलो एंड सावर क्या बोलो दिक्कत भी है तो समझना भी है हाँ क्या है क्वेश्चन कैपिटल ऑफ नहीं हाँ कमेंट Has anyone any sort of difficulty? किसी के पास किसी तरह का प्रॉब्लम हो अंडरस्टैंडिंग में इंग्लिश से हिंदी समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो कर रहे तो बोलो पूछना चाह रहे तो बोलो वेरी गुड हम सही बताना है सर्कलिंग सही करना है ठीक है तो समझना हो हिंदी में तो दिक्कत है तो बता सकते हो हिंदी मीनिंग समझना हो तो बता सकते हो
Hello, I am Rahi Ras from Standard 9th. The talent hunt competition that I appeared today was very awesome. It taught me a lot. Some questions were challenging. I feel very much after solving it. It inspired us, hence the organizer and our principal, to give me such an opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vicky Kumar from Standard 8. Today's experience was really interesting. Almost all types of questions were included to testify our skills. Our quiz classes in the school are very helpful while solving the problems. However, no one is perfect. I attempt as far as I could and eagerly waiting for coming results. Thanks to our principal, coordinator and GS Talent Hunt team.
I am Nikhil and from Standard 3rd. Today I feel good. The question was interesting. Thank you, dear.
Myself, Vaibhav Bharadwaj from class 8. After taking the examination, I felt a sense of relief and accomplishment. I had dedicated significant time and efforts to preparing, and it was satisfying to see that efforts culminate in the test. And I felt confidence in my preparation and performance. The experience also motivated me to continue learning and reading regardless to this outcome. I want to take the examination like this creative talent hunt. Thank you to GS News Talent Hunt.
Hi, I am Blessing from Standard 9. It was a wonderful experience for me to appear in GS News Talent Hunt. The question was neither very critical nor very easier. Although it Although I was never first, but now I am very cool. Some questions were very amazing. Overall, well, it was a great opportunity to show my creativity in this examination. Thank you, entire GS team.
Hi, I am Amar Kumar Prince from Standard 9. It is outstanding experience and I really enjoyed the day. In beginning, I was hesitated to think that what type of question will be asked, but excluding some critical problems, rest were moderate. It had 4 options and I answered the most suitable to my knowledge. Thanks GS News team and all the teachers, principals and committee members of Gyanvatika Vidyalaya.
I am Adarsh from Standard 8. Participating in this competition has been truly an enriching experiences for me. Some questions of GKGS were critical, but I tried my best. After this examination, now time will tell my result. Thanks for GS News team and school committee members.
Hello, I am Subhasis from Standard 8. Appearing in GS News Talent Hunt examination is a better experience for me. Almost all types of questions were asked. Some questions are asked from book and author sections. They were critical a little. Although it is helpful for enriching our knowledge. I hope a similar next event next year. Thanks GS News team, principal and my all dear teachers of my school Gyanvatika Vidyalaya, Nogatia. Thank you.
My name is Palak Singh from Standard 9. It was a wonderful experience to appear in GS Talent Hunt. The question paper was neither very critical nor very easier. Although I was nervous first, but now I am very cool. Some questions were very amazing, but overall it was a great opportunity to show my creativity in this examination. Thank you, entire GS News team.
Hi, I am Sneha from Standard 8. Before the day I was tense, but after taking examination, I feel comfortable. Some questions were critical, but overall it was moderate. I learned many things and enjoyed showing my skills. Thanks GS News team for organizing this type of event. Thank you.
Well, participants were very excited after watching the examination period where I was there. I saw students were gladly preparing their question sheet and they are filling mark sheet.
सर कैसा रहा, कैसा बच्चे कैसे महसूस कर
समाज के चतुर्थ स्तंभ हैं आपके द्वारा ये बनाए गए क्रिएट किए गए GS क्रिएटिव टैलेंट हंट एक ऐसा आपने प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया। यहाँ कक्षा 1 से लेकर के कक्षा 9वीं तक के जितने बच्चे थे करीब बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। इट मीन्स दे वर इन 505 इन नंबर। 505 विद्यार्थियों ने अपनी परीक्षा में अपना दाखिला दिया, उपस्थित हुए, एग्जामिनेशन दिया। क्वेश्चन पेपर जो था बहुत ही ट्विस्ट भी ना था, बनाने लायक था। बच्चों ने बड़ा बखूबी बनाया। और पहली बार उत्सुकता वाली बात ये है कि बच्चे जो ओमार सीट पर बैठे वो अचंभित हो गए, ये पेपर है क्या। और आपने एक नया ये अंदाज, ये रूपरेखा जो तैयार किया, बहुत खुश हुए बच्चे। और मैक्सिमम बच्चों ने, मुझे लगता है कि 100 बच्चे कम से कम यहाँ से सीट लेकर जाएंगे। अब जो
सर पहली बार क्लास 1 और 2 के बच्चों ने OMR पर एग्ज़ाम दिया,
कैसा सी बात है। अनोखी पहल आपने जो स्टार्ट किया, कक्षा 1 और कक्षा 2 के बच्चे जो अपियर हुए अभी इस एग्जामिनेशन में, टैलेंट हंट एग्जामिनेशन में, अचंभित कर दिया। मैं जब मॉनिटरिंग में गया उन लोगों के पास, एक क्वेश्चन देख करके वो लोग इतना ईजरली पूछ रहे थे, इतना उत्सुक, इतना एक्साइटेड थे, मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर इस तरह के कार्यक्रम से बच्चों में किस तरह
मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आगामी जो भी कंपटीशन होगा, मैं चाहूँगा कि आपने जो प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया है, बच्चों में काफ़ी उत्साहवर्धन मैंने देखा। और बच्चे जब प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो उसको टाइम मैनेजमेंट, पेशेंस, सेक्रीफाइस, ये सब सारी बातों को ध्यान में रखना होगा। और टाइम टेकिंग, चूँकि एग्जामिनेशन तो है 50 मिनट टाइम आपके द्वारा प्रोवाइड किया गया और 50 क्वेश्चन थे टुगेदर, बड़ा बखूबी से उन लोगों ने सोल्व किया। यह मैसेज जहाँ तक जाए, मैं चाहूँगा कि हर एक अभिभावक देखे और दूर दराज के जो भी दर्शक हैं वो भी देखें और अपने बच्चे को जीएस क्रिएटिव टैलेंट हंट का एग्ज़ाम जो है, इस तरह के जो कुछ भी एग्ज़ाम हो, इस पर पहल करें। आगामी कुछ महीनों के बाद मैं चाहूँगा कि एक क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट हो जिसमें हमारे सारे बच्चे, अभी आपको जूनियर सेक्शन के बच्चे बच गए, वो काफ़ी उत्सुक थे सर मैं भी भाग लूँगा। कुछ गार्जियंस का कॉल आया, काफ़ी उत्सुकतापूर्वक कॉल आया, उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे बच्चे क्यों नहीं अपीयर हुए। तो मैंने उन्हें समझाया कि आगामी कुछ महीनों के बाद जो है, लगभग अक्टूबर में एक क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट होगा, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट होगा। और आफ्टर ऑल दिसंबर मंथ में मेरा ये प्लानिंग है कि चूँकि ये इंटेलिजेंस का टेस्ट है, ये एक बुद्धिमत्ता की परीक्षा है और इसमें एक केबीसी पैटर्न पर एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया जाएगा और बहुत बच्चे और बहुत अभिभावक इससे लाभान्वित होंगे। कुल 18 जिले के बच्चे लगभग यहाँ इस विद्यालय में अभी अध्ययनरत हैं, हॉस्टल में और बोर्डिंग भी है, डे बोर्डिंग भी है और बोर्डिंग भी, दोनों। इसमें से 500 बच्चे अभी अपीयर हुए, 500 प्लस बच्चे अपीयर हुए, 700 साढ़े 700 बच्चों में से, और काफ़ी उत्साहवर्धक रहा ये। मैं चाहूँगा यह पैगाम हर तक जाए, हर समाज में जाए, हर वर्ग में जाए, हर तबके के लोग जाने और बखूबी से इसका लाभ उठाना। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
I feel very better. This is a different experience for me. However, I go through all the questions that were asked here, and I think it is very helpful in enriching our children's general awareness. And as you know, many students here preparing for competitions like Sainik School, Navodaya, Netarhat, and others. So this type of competition is really helpful in preparing their competition. And I experienced for last 7 days the school environment. The school environment was just all the students were running after the trophy, as you told him. Our students are full of potential, and you know, while I teaching, they enjoyed very much. They were very conscious, and they asked. They had self-study, and I think their better future if such type of events comes, and you are organizer. And
Sir, Gyan Vatika is known as for result factory.
Yeah.
What is the reason behind this?
Result behind this, the factor behind this is hard labor. As you know, hard labor is the key to success, and all the teachers here, like Amar sir and other teachers, me, myself, and Rajesh sir and Rahul sir, Bhuvan sir, so many teachers are very talented here, and they are very kind to students, and this is the cause. This is the reason the results come here.
What would you like to give the message to the parents and guardians from the event?
I would like to say parents and guardians must be confident and must visit this school once, and they should give me an opportunity to teach their children, so that they could know how I perform here. And
Okay, thanks to you, sir.
Very nice, sir. As I myself watched the examination, have very in a peaceful mahol circumstances. All the students have done their best with proper intent, honestly. I am all very happy to see all the students' performance in the examination.
What would you like to tell about the system of the program Creative Talent Hunt?
Actually, I am all satisfied with the system gone well during the examination.
How was the exam pattern, sir? Question pattern?
Question pattern is exactly very nice according to the level of the mental power of the students as for the juniors and seniors as well.
Thank you, sir.